Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Greason. I had some requests to create a video to show you all how to use Google Chrome and Google Classroom. So this is it. If you are at your home computer, you will either have Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome, which is the three colors one. You'll need Google Chrome. It'll work best with Google Classroom, and if you don't have it, you can download it from Internet Explorer. Just Google Chrome, and the download should be there. I'm going to go ahead and double click on Google Classroom. And this should be the first page that comes up, which is your sign in to Google Chrome. And I'm going to use Drew Jones' account as an example. So first, you're going to sign in with your child's email. You'll have to use your child's email or student email in order to see the Google Classroom. So it's first.lastname at k12.lcisd.net, and then you will have to type in their password. And your child password or your student password is going to be your lunch number and then capital first and last initial. Let me show you that. I will type that in right here on a sticky note. So it's first.lastname at k12.lcisd.net, and then the password is the lunch number and then the capital first and last initial. Both initials are capitalized. And once you have that information put in, you can hit sign in. And I want to remind you that you can pause this video and do this step by step or watch it as many times as you need to. So I'm going to link data. That's the best way to do it, so that way it saves all of their setting changes onto your computer. Okay? So now you're logged in as Drew, and in order to get to Google Classroom, you will need to go to classroom.google.com. classroom.google.com. And then just hit enter. And it'll take you to this page where all of their classes are listed. So your child should have all of these same classes. It may say Greason homeroom or Coppola homeroom if your child is not in Richardson's homeroom. But here is where the teacher's name is for that specific Google Classroom. So for Mr. Voigts, you would go click on Mr. Voigts' 5th grade science and do any assignments for him he has there. I'm going to go ahead and click on this writing class because that's where my stuff is. And here's where I will post 5th grade spelling words each unit. And here's their first assignment. So what they need to do is click on Get to Know Google Classroom. You just click on the assignment, and then he has already turned it in. But right here, if you pause it and want to go look, is a button that says Add, and you'll click the drop-down menu and choose Docs. And then it will create this same exact document for you. Just give it a second to think. And it'll pop up and it'll say Get to Know Google Classroom dash whatever your child's name is, or whatever your name is. And so it's already created it for you. And then you will click onto the title of that document, and then that will open the document for them, and they can type their sentence or whatever the assignment is. And then there will be a turn in button right here. And they'll click that turn in button once they're done. And it will take them back here, and then this unsubmit button here is what it says, but it will be a blue turn in button again. So you'll just click that, and then their work is turned in, and I will grade it and return it to them. And that is how you will do assignments for now in Google Classroom. And as I add things and do more things with Google Classroom, I will send out another update email explaining how to do that as well. Hopefully this clears up any questions that you all had about Google Classroom. If it does not, please just shoot me an email at cgreason, cgreeson @lcisd.net, and I'll be sure to answer those as quickly as possible.